So these flowers are growing here. Look, these are cornflower, and this is another kind of wildflower. I don't know what it is called. We have here some kind of. Hello guys, so today I'm going to dig the elephant garlic. Sorry for my voice, I have a cold. And let's see how big the bulb is. So I have here 4 garlic. Let's see. So these are the elephant garlic, and today is the time to dig it. So let's go, and I'll show you how big. I saw in online they also sell crumbs. Look. Imagine that. That one, there's plenty of crumbs. Look, little garlic. Look at that. Oh, massive. See the other one. This one is a bit rotten. Look. So maybe too much water, but I'll still keep it and dry it. And let's see the 2, the remaining 2. Voila. So not so bad really, because I planted only 1 bar clove. Wow, look at that. Massive. Look. So we'll not eat this garlic this year. I am planning to plant this again and let it grow more, so that I have more elephant garlic. Right. Alright. Oh gosh, yeah. So not too bad. Right, I'll show you the photo. So these are all the elephant garlic, and I'm going to hang it. So I also pick up strawberries. Look, nice ones. We are going to have it for lunch. And before that, I am going to show you the allotment now. So we'll start here with the flower garden. Look at that. Yeah, we have 2 tiles. We put dahlias and marigold, and those orange flowers are marigold. Another variety, we have 2 varieties here. One is in there with the tomatoes, and look at this cornflower. Look at that. Something is blooming already. Different color, pink, blue, and white. And there's massive flower here. Look, I mean tiny little flowers. They are beautiful. And the rows of lavender are really gorgeous. Look at that. I planted this from cuttings, and now it's growing nicely. The runner beans are flowering, which is unusual. I think it's not growing so much, but it will grow. The other one is climbing over there, and the potatoes are looking great. And we had harvested 2 plant potato, and it was quite good. Yeah, everything looking good. These ones are the main crop. It's a bit late. When I planted it, it's 2 weeks late, so this will be harvested late. All right, there's a big weed here. I was weeding, by the way, and I will have a rest for a minute. And these are my beetroot. Look, growing nicely. This is the marigold I was telling you about, that one with the tomatoes. And this these are the lettuces. Look at this massive round here. I couldn't finish it. I will give my friend today. And the tomatoes are looking nice. This green peas were eaten by the pigeon. We did everything for the pigeons are continuously eating. They don't have to grow. They should be under the netting. Otherwise, there will be no green peas. So these are the sweet corn. Look at that. I grew them from seeds. I remember I started with spraying the seed and inside the house, and when they rooted, I planted it here. Look, everything grew, and there's loads of suckers. I read in YouTube or in the internet that don't have to remove it. It will not affect the growth of the corn, so I leave it like that. And in between, I planted some beans, dwarf beans, because they are sister. And I need to plant more with like courgette or pumpkin, but I put the pumpkin separately over there and there because they grow massively, or they climb, or they vine. Yeah, I planted also here. Some went through, some no, but they will be all right. And look at the cabbages and cauliflower. I don't know which one is which, so I just put inside. They will grow, and when they have flower, I will know then by that time. We got 2 netting here, and this is the same assorted kind of brassicas, and I don't know which one is cauliflower. And raspberries are growing taller. Look at that, and starting to fruit. This is also a big weed here. I didn't see. Look at that. I leave it because I am still weeding. And yeah. And the fruit trees are good, but there's no fruit at all. This pear tree is only 1 fruit. Look. Oh, 2. And they are no good. The one on top, I think the soil is not good here, so we will buy a horse manure and put every tree. And the plum tree had flowered, but no fruit at all. It's all gone. This apple tree is good because it's fruiting. Look, there's some fruit. This is a good kind of apple. It's a bit hard, but it's sweet, and they don't grow bigger. Here on this side, I planted dahlias. My husband's favorite is dahlia. And on this side are the raspberries, also fruiting. So this is not so big allotment. Is bit by everyone has a bit of its own, and the onions are, some are good, some are not, but that's life, really. So these are the pumpkins, and I planted more dahlias because I have plenty of plants. So I leave it here. I planted it here so that we can keep the tubers this year. So these are the strawberries, and I grew something in the raised bed. I planted some dwarf beans. Look, and they are looking good. So far so good. So my husband is tying the elephant garlic. So this one clove, or one plant bulb, maybe have 4 clove inside. We'll see.
How's Jill John? Good. Still getting about, not right, and flying about.